The girl was being dragged away by those men, while her companion crying out in despair. I could not tell what awaited them, but my brother Deva told me not to act. I understood why. In this world ruled by the strong, even as the king's son, his own position was fragile. 20 years ago, to save my mother and me, he surrendered his land with his own hands. From that day, he lost the king's favor, and his status collapsed. 2 decades have passed, and he remains only a minor lord. Recently, the king seemed to remember what he owed and ordered the man who seized my brother's land to return it. On the surface, that lord pretended to obey, but in secret he joined with the crown prince, planning to eliminate my brother while the king was away.
When the prince was about to strike, the palace bell sounded just in time to stop the bloodshed. Yet the danger did not end. A vote to decide life and death, whether to go to war, was set for 9 days later.
Until then, all lords were forbidden from fighting, and they used this time to summon armed forces from across the world. My brother, the weakest among them, called back only me. His men were restless and uneasy.
ఒక్కడిని తీసుకొచ్చావా? ఒక సైన్యం కావాలంటే ఒక్కడిని, అది వీడిని. మర్చిపోయావా? 25 ఏళ్ల ముందు వాడి కోసం నువ్వు తీసుకున్న ఒక్క నిర్ణయం వల్లే ఈ రోజు మన బతుకులు ఇలా ఉన్నాయి.
I knew they still resented me because 20 years ago it was for my sake that he lost everything.
కాన్సర్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్కడు ఎన్ని రకాలుగా మనల్ని ముక్కలు ముక్కలుగా నరకాలని ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారు తెలుసా నీకు?
But my brother remained calm. He believed I was the one who could help him rise again. The next day, his own men tried to test me. They mocked me as nothing more than a mechanic who knew nothing about holding a gun.
సేఫ్టీ తీస్తేనే కాల్చొచ్చు. మెకానిక్ కి స్పానర్ లో రెంచ్ లో ఎలా వాడాలో తెలుస్తుంది, కానీ గన్లు వాడటం ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది?
But I would prove them wrong. Antega? Compared to this, the humiliation my brother carried was far heavier. As the king's own son, he was forced to carry only the title of a petty lord, and he became the target of everyone's scorn.
చాలా మంది మీ తల నరకడానికి కాసుకొనున్నారు. నాకైతే ఇక్కడే నరికి పాతి వెళ్ళిపోవాలనుంది.
Whenever I wanted to defend him, he would not allow it. That night, I began to understand his restraint. He was drunk, confused, and for a moment, he mistook me for someone else. He spoke words he had never shared with anyone.
చాలా భయం వేస్తుందిరా నాకు. నాకేమవుతుందనే భయం కాదు, మిగిలిన